Menteri Sarkar ke Jela Rakkam Sangma ubadairu nongelam kaseng NPP. Hakasimpa lejong katayo ulong ba na ka arlak vote ka baka NPP keladon harilom Garo. Datang 1,000 ka vote ka belalit no kiwei pat haki election MP sa Lok Sabha haka Tura Parliamentary Constituency. Habakran higilat patay kubor Rakkam Sangma ulong ba na ka vote jong NPP. Keladon tang 1,000 ka vote ka belalit no sa kiwei pat haki election MP sa Lok Sabha na ka Tura seat ka barang syedap tangsen. Laban kedaw hang ni bahagi election MP na Tura Parliamentary Constituency ka kertong ke NPP ka Agatha ke Sangma kelasya penrem no ha UMLA ke Kongres na Gambegre usalang Sangma dapalat iway point san lak vote. Rakkam Sangma ulong bahari lom Garo keladon kawai ke video kebelasna dikira shimat ha ka bagi penwandur baya kalut tengka sanspa ha kawai kaliang kadon kedur jong keblai durga pada kawai pat kadon kedur jong karam mandir. Pada thok bagi NPP bat ke BJP ken sepen mit thama yang kena pisah. Ila boru ke jengkli bahato ki Kristan ken ai kena pisah ki yang mani jongki. Bat bon ki breu ke langit kena ke video. Rakkam Sangma ulong bak Agatha ke Sangma kelale bon bahaki kam. Kelara aru ikimat ha ka yang dor bartauan parlimen doi kedai pat ke jengkwa jengki pat ba ke jengkala. Ban yo no du MP bathamai bat kum tak pediang subhai karai jong pat ba banjit yu saleng Sangma Kumu MP Natura.
Exactly along as in the Garo Hills. Hills also, if you look at the vote set that we have got in assembly election, just 50,000 voters only cross-voted even in Hills as well as in Garo Hills. Nothing new. We are still strong here. And I think NPP will definitely come back. And look, be the MP, be it from Shillong and in Tura, they will be both upsetting will be in the opposition. I don't know whether they will be able to bring the development, the challenges, they'll be able to solve the issues or not. That's also the different story. So, look, you can take Sir former MP, Honorable MP Pala. He was in the MP for 2 times. He wants to come into the state politics and contest for ML election. Maybe I don't know why he decides so. So it means living away the MP, he wants to be as an MLA. I feel sometimes MLA have better way to serve the people. So maybe even I see the Sir P. Sangma, honorable former speaker also. When he was the MP, he have vacated the seat and contest from Tura to become the MLA. Maybe as an MLA he can work better for the people of the constituency, for the area. Maybe so. So now But Saleng, he was MP MLA for last 15 years, now going for the MP. So he will see the new dimension, new chapter of his responsibility. If he don't enjoy as Pala as Sir P. Sangma did in the past, he may come back for the state government to contest again. Sir P. Sangma, honorable former Lok Sabha speaker, Sir P. Sangma was a short man. He want to raise the issue for the Northeast for the Christian. What is it? Look, during I think what you call during the Ale BJP time, in 1987, P.S. Sangma said, eating beef by Christians in the tribal community hurt the sentiment of the Hindu people, Hindu religion, right? Not killing the beef during the funeral, during the celebration of the Christian community from Garo community is hurting the sentiment of my tribal people and Christian people. This is what he said. But that said by standing in the table in the parliament. So maybe Saleh has to, if the India don't listen, Saleh should stand in the table as P. Sangma did. So he should make the country listen, the voice of the tribal and voice of the people of the state. That we expect both Sinkun and Saleh to make the country listen. But from the NPP vote bank, it is only just 50,000 who have cross-voted. Even we have got 2 lakhs plus vote, still our NPP still voted. But about 50,000 has been carried away because of church issue, because of Christian issues. Somebody has made a fake video, wrong video, edited video. All things happen. So people doesn't know whether it's correct or not correct. So this is what happened related. But this is because this I don't know, the people for many, I don't want to say this way, but however it happens so I think we have to accept the people's, maybe people thinks that so we want to see a new MP from.
Uni unang yalam ke NPP ula kamru bawat harilom khasi keladan tang sanpo hajar vote naga vote jong ke NPP kabla lit nosh kiwei pat. Nrai keseng gadang klan bat ke NPP kan songan pai biang hakabor. Rakkam e sangma ula kit bok kit ruyang ya ke MP bethamai ke jela ki bekentop yu saleng sangma bat yu Dr. Ricky Singkon. Nrai ulong bakini bro arngut ke MP ken hak ban syong hagel yang persya. Bat ula penpau ke jing artatien bakin lak ban wanra ya ki kampen roy ne ban penbet ya ki mat jong ke jela. Ulong bagi arngut ki MP na Shillong bat Tura kini ban penlong ya kari bakan sengap ya ke jeng pensnow jongki.
It is not the loss of the BPP here. Sorry, NPP. It is the loss of the Vincent Palana. Right. Let the times comes. They have their own process. We have also have a on ground. But this emotion politics, I don't know how. Look, the people have voted so strong this time for BPP. But let's see how far to which distance this emotion can be carried along. How long it will last, it will depend on, and how as an MP, how they perform this time. If Singkon really perform, really meet the expectation of the people, the employments, the security, the expectation be the INP, all this is, if Singkon really can do it, yes, it may happen so. But people read the progress report of every party, every leaders, every individual. We can fool people once. We cannot repeat the same for the twice. So people will definitely will read, will compare the performance, be it the MP, be it the MLA, be it everybody. Right? So this is a natural process. Therefore, as an MP, what Madam Agatha, what Vincent could not do, people have sending a new player to the parliament. They should, both the MP of the state should go with the high spirit that they should continue to pursue this issue. And because for Shillong, we are crying for the INP, but Vincent Phala failed to fulfill. He failed to raise the issue to convince the government of India. Now it will be in the hands of the Singkon in the parliament to convince the parliament to adopt so that what the people of the state want to see, that the Singkon brings and fulfilling the aspirations of the state of India. So I don't say that way, but it will depend on their performance too. No, let's wait for some time whether they meet the expectation or not. Right? Now, as a BPP now become the part team of the family that will deliver to the people. Now the line has been drawn. They are no more the party who will always criticize the demand. They have now become the part of the family that they have to deliver to the people. So they are solving the same responsibility. So now BPP is no more the demanding party. Now they are also the responsible party. They have the MP and the parliament. They also to deliver now. People will read this line clearly.